Question 1. Which of the following types of matter has a fixed shape and volume? Correct answer. A. Solid. Explanation. Solids have both fixed shape and volume. The particles are tightly packed and do not move freely, which gives them a defined shape and volume. Question 2. Which of the following is an example of a crystalline solid? Correct answer. C. Ice. Explanation. Ice is a crystalline solid, where water molecules are arranged in a regular, repeating pattern. Question 3. Which of the following gases behaves ideally under normal conditions? Correct answer. C. Nitrogen. Explanation. C. Nitrogen behaves ideally under normal temperature and pressure conditions, that is, low pressure and high temperature. Question 4. What term is used to describe the temperature at which a solid begins to melt? Correct answer. C. Melting point. Explanation. The melting point is the temperature at which a solid turns into a liquid. Question 5. Which of the following processes refers to the conversion of a gas into a liquid? Correct answer. C. Condensation. Explanation. Condensation is the process in which a gas cools and turns into a liquid. Question 6. Which of the following is an example of a heterogeneous mixture? Correct answer. C. Sand in water. Explanation. Sand in water is a heterogeneous mixture because the sand particles do not dissolve and can be seen and separated. Question 7. Which of the following is used to separate components of a mixture based on their different boiling points? Correct answer. B. Distillation. Explanation. Distillation is used to separate liquids with different boiling points, as in the case of separating alcohol from water. Question 8. What happens to the boiling point of water when impurities are added? Correct answer. B. It increases. Explanation. The boiling point of water increases when impurities are added due to the phenomenon known as boiling point elevation. Question 9. Which of the following is an example of a physical change? Correct answer. C. Melting ice. Explanation. Melting ice is a physical change where the state of matter changes from solid to liquid, but no new substance is formed. Question 10. Which of the following best describes the molecular structure of a gas? Correct answer. B. Molecules are spread out and move freely in all directions. Explanation. In a gas, the molecules are widely spaced and move freely, filling the container. Question 11. Which of the following states of matter has neither a fixed shape nor a fixed volume? Correct answer. C. Gas. Explanation. Gases have neither a fixed shape nor a fixed volume and expand to fill their container. Question 12. Which of the following is an example of a chemical property? Correct answer. C. Reactivity with oxygen. Explanation. Reactivity with oxygen is a chemical property because it describes how a substance reacts and forms a new substance. Example, rusting. Question 13. Which of the following best explains why gases expand to fill their containers? Correct answer. C. Gas molecules are in constant, random motion. Explanation. The constant motion of gas molecules causes them to spread out and fill the entire volume of their container. Question 14. Which of the following methods can be used to separate a mixture of salt and water? Correct answer. A. Distillation. Explanation. Distillation can separate salt from water by boiling the water and then condensing the vapor to leave the salt behind. Question 15. Which of the following is the best description of an amorphous solid? Correct answer. B. It has no long-range order and particles are randomly arranged. Explanation. Amorphous solids like glass have no long-range order in their atomic structure. Question 16. Which of the following is not a characteristic of liquids? Correct answer. C. Their particles are tightly packed. Explanation. Liquids have particles that are close together but not as tightly packed as in solids. Question 17. What happens to the pressure of a gas when the volume is reduced at constant temperature? Correct answer. A. It increases. Explanation. According to Boyle's law, when the volume of a gas is decreased, the pressure increases if the temperature remains constant. Question 18. Which of the following statements is true about the classification and behavior of matter? Correct answer: D. The solubility of a substance generally increases with an increase in temperature. Explanation: in most cases, the solubility of solid solutes in liquids increases with an increase in temperature. However, there are exceptions, such as certain salts, where solubility decreases with temperature. Question 19. Which of the following is not a property of crystalline solids? Correct answer: C. They are considered supercooled liquids. Explanation: crystalline solids have a regular arrangement of particles, sharp melting points, and are generally hard with definite shapes. Amorphous solids, not crystalline solids, are sometimes referred to as supercooled liquids due to their ability to flow over long periods. Question 20. Which method would you use to separate two liquids with closely related boiling points? Correct answer: B. Fractional distillation. Explanation: fractional distillation is suitable for separating liquids with closely related boiling points. It uses a fractionating column to achieve a more refined separation by providing multiple stages of vaporization and condensation. Question 21. Which of the following is true about the process of sublimation? Correct answer: B. It occurs when a solid directly changes into a gas without becoming a liquid. Explanation: sublimation is the phase transition in which a substance changes directly from the solid state to the gaseous state, bypassing the liquid phase. Common examples include camphor and naphthalene. Question 22. Which type of mixture shows the same composition throughout? Correct answer: B. Homogeneous mixture. Explanation: a homogeneous mixture has a uniform composition and properties throughout, such as sugar dissolved in water. The components are evenly distributed at the molecular level. Question 23. Which of the following laws states that the volume of a gas is directly proportional to its temperature at constant pressure? Correct answer: B. Charles's law. Explanation: Charles's law states that the volume of a gas is directly proportional to its temperature in Kelvin when the pressure remains constant. Question 24. Which type of substance can absorb moisture from the air and form a solution? Correct answer: C. Deliquescent substances. Explanation: deliquescent substances absorb moisture from the air and dissolve in it to form a solution. Examples include sodium hydroxide NaOH and potassium hydroxide KOH. Question 25. Which of the following processes is an example of interconversion of states of matter? Correct answer: B. Vaporization. Explanation: vaporization is the process where a liquid changes into a gaseous state due to heating, representing the interconversion of states of matter. Question 26. Which of the following is a characteristic property of Bose-Einstein condensate? Beck. Correct answer: C. It is formed by cooling gases to near absolute zero. Explanation: Beck is a state of matter achieved by cooling gases of extremely low density to temperatures near absolute zero. This causes the particles to occupy the same quantum state and behave as a single quantum entity. Question 27. What is the key difference between a compound and a mixture? Correct answer: A. A compound has a fixed composition, while a mixture does not. Explanation: compounds are formed by combining elements in a fixed ratio and exhibit properties distinct from their constituents. Mixtures, on the other hand, have variable compositions and retain the properties of their components. Question 28. What is the Tyndall effect observed in colloidal solutions? Correct answer: B. The scattering of light by colloidal particles. Explanation: the Tyndall effect occurs in colloidal solutions when light is scattered by the dispersed particles, making the beam visible. This is a distinguishing property of colloids. Question 29. Which gas law explains why food cooks faster in a pressure cooker? Correct answer: C. Gay-Lussac's law. Explanation: Gay-Lussac's law states that pressure is directly proportional to temperature when the volume is constant. In a pressure cooker, increased pressure raises the boiling point of water, allowing food to cook faster at higher temperatures. Question 30. Which of the following substances undergoes sublimation? Correct answer: B. Camphor. Explanation: Camphor is a sublimable substance, meaning it changes directly from a solid to a gas without passing through the liquid state. Other examples include naphthalene and iodine. Question 31. Which of the following substances is an example of an amorphous solid? Correct answer: B. Glass. Explanation. Amorphous solids, such as glass, lack a regular arrangement of particles and do not have sharp melting points. They are sometimes referred to as supercooled liquids due to their ability to flow very slowly over time. Thank you. Thank you for taking the time to join us and celebrate these incredible accomplishments. Your support and engagement mean so much to us. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated on future content. See you next time.